This video is addressed and aimed at the Maryland Porch Slugs, dedicated Peeps on the side chat and on the panel. How dare you people not call out this very sick and demented soul who sits on his front porch and blows an air horn in the middle of the night when he has a sleeping wife and 3 underage children, including 1 toddler. And it's almost 1 a.m. his time in Maryland. And you guys don't call him out. Mike, you don't call him out. Voodoo, none of yous. Well, Lisa Lynn, she's 3 sheets to the wind. I mean, you people don't call him out. Are you guys insane? Really? You think that's a normal behavior? You think I could get away with that in my area here? If I blew an air horn right now and I'm 3 hours behind you, are you out of your mind? People be calling the cops. I'd be startling my parents. Are you at it? I mean, somebody could have a heart attack right on sight. A noise that loud. At first, a few weeks ago, I thought it was a train. No, that's G's new little toy. Because he's a little boy, he plays with toys. Lose your toy. Lose it. Because let me tell you something. What you're doing is wrong. You shouldn't be putting your family through that. It's bad enough what you do. Going out there and talking loud all night. Smoking wax all night. Doing all your stuff. And now you're adding an air horn. You out of your mind? And he's doing it all the time. And none of you people, none of yous call him out. Shame on you. Shame on you people for co-signing this devious behavior. 55 out.